faster than not. And that means it's a area.
You know, a lot of those videos that
There. 59 to Southwest Freeway at the West Loop. It seems like the loop is still...
Bill Bigley, Public Information Officer for the Houston Airport System. Thank you for joining us, and we will be talking with you in the coming hours and coming days.
Forget about it. I'm going backwards on the one way.
Rainy day in old Houston.
Hi, this is Christy Gillentine reporting from a very wet Houston, Texas. Houston has been pounded with up to 17 inches of rain in some areas, bringing the city to a standstill and its bayous to dangerous levels. It's really no joking matter. There have actually been over 1,200 rescues so far due to rising floodwaters. Over 1,000 homes have been flooded so far, and city officials are working around the clock to rescue people from their homes and their cars. Everyone's being urged to stay home if they don't absolutely have to go somewhere, which is exactly what I'm doing.
So, it's like, no, man, where do we go? We don't know where to go.